Hi, and welcome to another episode of the Crazy Green Landlord. So today I am doing an electric vehicle rant because I'm still not seeing people getting a clue. So an electric vehicle, one, has only 6 to 20 moving parts from the battery to the wheels. Two, offsets all carbon used to make the entire vehicle in just 2 years of traveling with the car. That's all it takes, and the rest is clean. Whereas a gas car keeps puking and puking and puking up the environment and destroying the air we breathe and cooking us off the planet. Electric cars don't do that. They burn pure light if you get them on solar. So we have a chance of cleaning up how we burn or how we fuel our electric cars, but we don't with an internal combustion engine. So let's cut the crap and get off our gas. And then the other thing too is electric vehicles work. My car works. I've been beating the crap out of this car for 4 years. Never had to do anything to it, not one thing. And for 1 ton, this is an 1,800-pound trailer. It's rated for 2,000 pounds. So it's got lots of room, but I never carried that much, really. I'm just doing brush and landscaping. But I'm helping out a friend and picking up this brush pile, running it over to the Ramsey County Recycling Center. And then I have all my goodies for landscaping stored in the back here. For all my landscaping needs, I have a shovel, a weed whip, and a blower, and a hedge trimmer, and that's what I use for all of our landscaping needs. But yeah, this car is amazing. I've had 6'8" guys sit in here and are just a marvel at how much room they have. I'm 6 feet tall. I'm a big guy, and we have no problem using this as my work truck. So I've looked at trucks. I thought, well, maybe I could go get a truck, and but to use it as a backup battery, but it just doesn't make sense because you can get these for like 10 grand with the rebates and stuff we have now. Yes, I'm still supporting Biden, Harris, Team Blue. It doesn't matter who is on that team. That team is doing something for the environment. It's protecting women's rights. It's protecting the environment, cleaning up our air, helping our allies, forming alliances across the world. Whereas Team Red is just a bunch of greedy slobs who want to give all your money back to tax, back to businesses, and make you think that they're going to do anything for you. When all Trump has ever done is lie to his wives, lie to his partners, lie to the public, and all he does is spew lies. Not one truthful thing comes out of that man's mouth. And to think he might be in another leadership role, it scares the crap out of me. And this Project 25, where they're going to take away people's right to vote and not even let you have a voice. Can restrict your voting rights. They only need the 7 swing states that are in play, and that's where they're focusing all their attention on. So please go out and vote. Go out and make some noise. Let's get Team Blue back in the White House. We need them on this mission of saving the planet, or else we're screwed. I mean, you're looking at in inner city temperatures of 150 degrees. Buenos Aires last year was 138 degrees. People waiting in line, dying at a concert. I would looked on the weather app in South Africa or West Africa, where it's winter now. Their high temperatures are 115 degrees, and their low at night is 97 degrees. Do you really want to be there? Do we want to get used to that? I think we won't be able to grow food. So I'll be digging holes underground. I don't want to do that. So let's be smart. Let's play along with Mother Earth and try to integrate what we're doing with the planet and grow more forests, grow more trees, change the way we farm. Watch a couple great documentaries called Plastic Earth, about the problems with plastic, but also the solutions. We're ingesting a credit card worth of plastic every week in our food, air, and water. Everything you buy, you're going to either eat, drink, or breathe it. So you might want to start rethinking your purchases. The other thing too is that the shows is that everything that we make from oil, we can make from food waste. We waste 40% of our food anyway. And then regarding regenerative farming and how many teratons of carbon that can take out of the atmosphere just by how we farm, farmers will make 40 to 60% more money doing no-till farming. That's Kiss the Ground, narrated by Woody Harrelson, and Common Ground. And for more research on what you can do to save the world for future generations and not give up, as long as I'm alive, there's hope. As long as anybody's alive, there's hope. And you gotta have hope, and you gotta act on that hope, though. Hope, action breeds hope. So act, and you can have more hope. The couple books I like are The Hidden Life of Trees by Peter Wohlleben, a German forester, and yeah, there's a bunch. Braiding Sweetgrass, I love that book on combining science with native wisdom. And that's it. That's the latest rant from the Crazy Green Landlord. Go out and get crazy green. I'm going to haul this brush to a recycling area and go do some more landscape carving.